Is this the country's most affordable electric pickup? Could this be the most budget-friendly electric pickup truck in the United States? The emerging American automaker Slate is gearing up to launch what many expect to be the country's most affordable electric pickup, with base prices starting in the mid-$20,000 range. Of course, there are the usual disclaimers to consider, including potential impacts from ongoing trade disputes and the availability of federal tax incentives, which can influence the final purchase price. But here's where it gets really intriguing. Slate's pickup isn't just about affordability. It's also incredibly versatile. Unlike traditional manufacturers that offer multiple models, Slate focuses on just one vehicle. This streamlined approach to production helps keep costs down. At its core, the truck is a two-seater, but it cleverly transforms into a five-seat SUV through the use of custom accessory kits. Think of it like a transformer, shifting between a compact pickup and a more spacious SUV effortlessly. Regarding features, the ride comes standard with essential comforts such as heating and air conditioning. However, almost everything else is offered as an upgrade. For instance, there's no built-in infotainment system included by default. Instead, owners can simply mount their own smartphone for navigation, music, and other functions at no extra charge. For tech enthusiasts who want more, the company offers a wide array of optional technology packages that can enhance the driving experience. Unlike typical car buying experiences, Slate currently operates without traditional dealerships. Interested buyers can place pre-orders directly through the company's website. When it comes to maintenance, there's a unique approach. Instead of in-person service centers, Slate provides a series of how-to instructional videos to guide users through basic upkeep tasks, a first of its kind in the automotive industry. That said, the company has announced plans to establish a national network of authorized service providers, promising access to professional maintenance at over 2,500 locations in the near future. Adding to the truck's appeal and credibility is an investment from none other than Jeff Bezos. Yet, intriguingly, there hasn't been any confirmation about whether the vehicle will be sold through Amazon's platform. This innovative approach and blend of affordability, adaptability, and unconventional sales and service models raise some interesting questions. Could Slate's strategy redefine the way we buy and maintain vehicles? And what does this mean for traditional dealerships and car manufacturers? Do you think this model will succeed, or is it too radical a departure from the norm? Share your thoughts, agree or disagree, in the comments below. About the author, Christopher Wynn is the assistant managing editor, specializing in specialty reporting and innovation at the Dallas Morning News. He oversees diverse coverage areas, including arts entertainment, food events, business, sports, and photo, and also manages the newsroom's podcast productions. Slate Auto's new electric pickup, affordable innovation in Indiana. Imagine a future where electric pickup trucks are not only environmentally friendly, but also affordable for the average American. This vision is about to become a reality, thanks to Slate Auto, a startup backed by none other than Jeff Bezos. The company is gearing up to produce its highly anticipated Slate Truck in Indiana, and this move is set to revolutionize the automotive industry. But here's where it gets interesting. Slate Auto has chosen to set up shop in a former printing plant in Warsaw, Indiana, a small town that's about to experience a major economic boost. The 130,000 square meter site, which was once home to a large printing plant that operated from 1958 to 2023, will be transformed into a state-of-the-art production facility, creating up to 2,000 new jobs in the process. This is a significant development. As Chris Barman, Slate's managing director, aptly put it, "We would like to see what we can do to go into an existing facility that has been shuttered and reindustrialize and revitalize that community. This approach is not unique to Slate Auto, as other American electric car manufacturers have also taken to repurposing existing production facilities. For instance, Rivian's main plant in Normal, Illinois was previously a Mitsubishi factory, while Tesla's first Gigafactory was originally part of the new United Motor Manufacturing joint venture between General Motors and Toyota. The site in Warsaw boasts 2 factory buildings, each measuring around 56,000 square meters, although it's unclear how much space Slate Auto will utilize for its production. One thing is certain, however, demand for the Slate Truck is sky high, with over 100,000 pre-orders received within a few weeks of its presentation in spring 2025. And this is the part most people miss. Interested parties only had to pay a mere $50 to secure their spot. So what makes the Slate Truck so special? For starters, it's designed to be highly modular, which not only keeps production costs low, but also enables the company to offer the vehicle at an unbeatable price. Without any extra features, the Slate Truck is expected to cost a whopping $27,500, or approximately 23,600 euros, making it the cheapest pickup truck in the USA. The truck's retro design, reminiscent of the pickup trucks of the 1980s and early 1990s, is also a major draw. But here's the controversy. Can a vehicle that's so affordable and stripped down really compete with the likes of other electric pickup trucks on the market? And this is where we'd love to hear from you. Do you think the Slate Truck has what it takes to revolutionize the automotive industry? Or will its low price point be its downfall? Let us know in the comments. As the world waits with bated breath for the Slate Truck's release, expected to be by the end of 2026, one thing is clear. The future of electric vehicles has never looked brighter. With its commitment to affordability, sustainability, and community development, Slate Auto is poised to make a significant impact on the industry. But we want to know, what do you think about the rise of electric pickup trucks? And do you think they're here to stay?